Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you to fix the black screen issue on any TV. So this is a universal black screen fix for TVs, alright? So of course, first of all, I have for demonstration purposes here a Samsung TV. So you check it out guys, this is a Samsung. I also have a TCL TV again. So you can see here it's a TCL TV. Or of course it can be a LG TV. As you can see here, this is a LG. Alright, so the first thing you do is locate your power button. It's usually beneath here. So in this case, it's right beneath the logo. I've seen on all brands, it tend to be right beneath here. Alright, so locate the physical power button. Alright, so this one is towards the center. It can be to the right or to the left. Right, so of course it can be just the same place for every TV. They tend to place it the same place. So on the TCL, it's the same. It's right beneath here. So you're gonna locate the physical power button. Similar on the Samsung. In this one, it's right towards the right, and the button is right here. You can actually feel it. Go ahead and unplug the TV. So unplug it from the wall. And while it's unplugged, you're gonna go ahead and you're going to press and hold that physical button. All right. So once you're sure it's a physical, press, and you're gonna hold that for 60 seconds. You can count to 60. So that's 1, 2, 3. You get the idea. And once 60 seconds has expired with it plugged out, you're gonna let go. All right. So of course that 60 or that full 60 seconds should do it. And I'll be keeping to the TCL TV because it's the same across all the brands. All right. So once you're finished, plug the TV back in. Then of course you're gonna go ahead again, and this time you're gonna press and just for a few seconds and let go. The TV should power on. So TCL should show the logo, Samsung, you can name it. Alright, so you get the idea. Straight across the board, it should power up. Now do note, you may have to try this procedure several times. So I suggest that if it fails the first time, redo the process several other times. Alright. Another thing to do, guys, is to, if that didn't work, unplug everything from the TV. That includes everything that's connected by HDMI. That includes video game consoles or anything that's connected, all right, by HDMI. So once you disconnect those, what you're going to do next is that you're going to go ahead again and you're going to run the power cycle, all right? You can always power off the TV again. All right, unplug the TV once more, and of course with all the peripherals disconnected by HDMI, go ahead and run the power cycle. You may have to try this out even up to 10 times. All right, if that fails, go ahead again, unplug the TV, and you're gonna leave the TV unplugged for at least a few hours, maybe 5 to 6 hours. In most cases, I usually recommend that you leave it overnight or go for a long walk. All right, so once it's unplugged from the wall for that 5 hours, make sure as soon as you unplug it, you go ahead and do the power or press the power button for that 60 seconds and then leave it overnight. All right, so you're gonna leave it overnight. Do not attempt to power on until the next morning. In that way, the residual power will be sure to be drained. All right, so when you come back, what you're gonna do is just simply plug it back in. Then once you plug it back in, go ahead and try to power it on. Please note, do not use the remote. It will not work unless you press the physical button on the TV to drain the residual power that's in the TV while it's plugged out. All right. So of course, if you did all of those, it should in most cases fix the black screen issue. All right. And of course, this is a universal fix across all the TVs, whether it be Samsung, TCL, Toshiba, LG, you name it. All right. So all of them can be fixed using this tip. I do hope this was useful for you, and I hope that it was able to fix your TV. And of course, if you have any direct questions, you can ask them below. All right, so this is it for the guide. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.